Hello everyone, today I wanna unbox my new collection. It's a reversible Hermes belt. So here we go. Here's the box. Comes with a tissue. Here we go. Comes with Hermes card, Hermes buckle, and the belt. So I have to try them, what this looks like. First of all, I want to show this buckle. It's a gold buckle. There's a Hermes stamp in it, and it's made in, here's my glasses. Made in France. And okay, let's try it on. So first I'm gonna use wear this one first, the brown one, and there's also a Hermes stamp in here. There are 3 holes. You can add more holes in farther or closer. Depends how tight or how you're wearing it. And this is the way you put the buckle in here. Now you start from the end, from where the holes is, and then go here. So I choose the black and brown because it goes with everything. Actually, the one who requested this belt, I recommend this color for reversible belt because it goes with everything. So this is when you wear dress. So here's the look. This is the looks for a dress. If you wear it for jeans, you can adjust and put it in your hips. You can add more holes in here. Depends what's your hips size. And here you go. That's the hips. It's very pretty. And here's the waistline. And the hips line. Okay, let's try the black one, what it looks like. So you just remove from here. It's very easy to remove the buckle. So let's try the black. So first, I'm gonna turn this into here in the very end, where the hole, one hole in the very end. Start from the 3 holes end, and then there you go. So let's try. here's the black. So for high waist, looks like this. For lowest, here for jeans, depends how tight you want. You can add holes in it if you think it's tight and you want to be more loose or tight, so you add holes on it. Here's the waistline, the lowest, and here's the high waist. Yeah, it's a gold buckle. This is matte, black leather and brown reversible belt. So yeah, if you want to request your sizes, let me know, comment below. I think that's it for today, and see you in my next video. Please feel free to like or subscribe with my channel for more video. Bye.